Today we will study Newton's second law of motion. According to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum, I have already discussed what is momentum. The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied, and this change takes place or occurs in the direction of the force applied. Rate of change of momentum directly proportional to the force applied. It means if we apply more force, there will be more rate change in momentum. If we apply less force, there will be less change in momentum. Thus, the momentum increases when we apply more force, and it will remain constant if we apply no force. Thus, let's say I also suppose this is a body and it is moving with velocity v and its mass is m. Its momentum will be equal to mv. If we apply force in the direction eastward, westward, any direction, the change in also take place in the same direction in which you are applying the force. Now describe the law. First take, let's say a body of mass m is moving with velocity, initially moving with velocity u. A body of mass m initially in a starting moving with velocity u, and then a force is applied on it. Let a force is applied on it. Due to the influence of this force, the body changes its velocity v after t time. M mass is the mass of the body is m, initial velocity, starting velocity is u, and a force F is applied on the body. Due to the influence of this force, the body acquires velocity v in t time. Then initial momentum, right? Initial momentum is equal to mu and final momentum is equal to mv. Then change in momentum mv minus mu. Rate of change of momentum equal to mv minus mu. How much time is taken to change? T time. In t time this change occur mv minus mu, then in unit time means rate divided by t. Rate of change of momentum is this mv minus mu by t. If you divide the change in momentum by time, you will get a rate of change of momentum. But according to Newton's second law of motion, we know that a force applied is directly proportional to change in momentum. Rate of change of momentum. According to Newton's second law of motion, force applied is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. Therefore, F proportional to m v minus u by t, or F proportional to m a. Why m a? M v minus u by t means rate of change of velocity, and from the definition we know that rate of change of velocity is acceleration. To displace to the sign of proportionality, we place a constant F is equal to k m a, where k is constant of proportionality. Now if F is equal to 1 Newton, F equal to 1 Newton, M is equal to 1 kg, 1 kg, and A is equal to 1 meter per second square, then K equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, K equal to 1. If you place F equal to 1, M equal to 1, A equal to 1, then K will be equal to 1. Putting this value 1 in this place, we get F is equal to MA. By using this formula, we can calculate the force applied or any one of three: mass, acceleration. If two are given, you can calculate one third. If two are given, you can calculate third. From the second law of motion, we get the measurement of force. First law of motion we have got definition of force, and from the second law of motion we get measurement of force. Actually, we see that 1 Newton, if we take 1 Newton means 1 kg and 1 mass. From this formula we can define what is Newton. Unit of Newton, unit of force is Newton. 1 Newton is the force which, when applied on a body of mass 1 kg, produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Next, we will study some special cases of Newton's second law. But before closing, I ask you, continue on my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video.